Wala man siguro Pagwala mo kung naman sarangan mo rin ng gabi
Bilay.
Okay. So, that goes nga ipakita nanda sa action, not in words. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the JMC Dancers.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. 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 Showtime, let's go. The champ is here. Hold up.
Hip hop better wake up.
Wake up. Just like that. Wake up. You got whole crew now. Sunset. Get up, get up, get up.
With a little bit of gold, back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and.
What up? Hey, Johnny, what it is? Buddy, what's wrong? It's all dirty to me. It's all dirty to me.
Let's get it on. Take my first piece, check my Dougie. 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 Take my first piece, check my Dougie.
Hey, in the mind of these ladies, they know it deep in the bitch, just like fucking hey, swag on kitchen, my brand on the honey. Smoke with these niggas, got the game in the dust. In the beginning, I never thought it would be you. When we were chilling, smiling in the photo booth. But we got closer. You were eating off my spoon. You're coming over, and we would talk all afternoon. Tonight we'll just get drunk, just start the face, find your hands all over me, and then you bite your lip, whisper and say we're going all the way. Tonight, take me to the other side. Don't feel like a puppet tonight. Take me to the other side. I feel like we did it now. We're friends as we walk down the top where we lost the top. So tonight, you feel like you're going to die. And take me to the other side. It goes stuff like this. Tres, two, uno. One, two, three, hit me! Woo!
to the night. Got to hit the club, mobbing off, cracking on some rock, shine on the drop, VIP stat, rock with the crowd, look around the club, what do I say? Everybody rocking side to side to the beat, bass, half a night, take bounce to the group, all by they stuff, that's the new
A dream is dead.
Daddy Money, Ricky Rouse. Good morning. Let's go. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Know you been waiting. Good morning. Cause I see you watching. So let's go. Let's get it dropping.
Thank you, JMC. Pwede ka mo katindog an idea for our judges' comments. I would like to request, pwede ka mo dyan sa front lang kayo dumasilaw sa stage. Just sa front. Okay, I would like to request, he himself is a dancer, Sir Ao Serra, for the comment.
Good evening, group number 5. Okay. So, nag-perform ka mo sa group, pero amo nang kinalain sang individual ka group nga dance mo. So, kung sa individual, di makita gawang sala kung pasakay lang. Pero sa inyo, as a group, doon laban ang copy-paste. Tapos, hindi gawa synchronize ang mga movement. Gina-shortcut nyo. Tapos, ang problema, pagit kung may ara kang espiyo sa dalong, ng tawon nyo na lang para makopy nyo. So, and, makita mo may variation ng saot, pero at least may variation siya, pero ang formation, gina-shortcut naman gihapon. This can gamay sa stage. And the same time, ang emotion. Imbes nga mag-emote ka mo, itulukay ka mo kanobrahon nyo. Tapos meron ang mga tricks nga dapat obrahon, pero imbes nga masaka ka mo sa likod, nagrinamo ka mo sa likod. So, amo lang na, siguro more on practice ka finalize yung mga movement, kag execute mo. Amo lang na. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge Ao. Good luck to our dancers, JMC dancers. Another